Hi, hi. I am Doctor Who Revision Moore, letting you know to stay tuned for a new episode of Unboxing. So let's dive right into it. Dum bum 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 ba dum bum ba dum ba dim dum ba dum ba dum ba dee ba dum 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 bum 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 ba dum ba dee da dum 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 bum 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 ba dum bum 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 dum ka dum 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 ka dum ka dum ka dum ka dum bum ba dum ba dum ba dum ba dim ba dum bum 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 ba dum bum 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 ba dum bum 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 ba dum bum bum ba dum bum 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 ah 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 bum 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 ah 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 bum 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 ah 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 unboxing bum 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 unboxing. Hi, welcome to a new episode of Unboxing. And today, well, for a few days ago, I got a message that I have a packet in my mailbox. So this is it. It's very thick. Well, it's a couple of things in here. But, but there's not Doctor Who inside of this package. No, it's not Doctor Who yet. But it will get there some point. But not today. So let's open the package and see what's inside. Yeah, it's a little difficult to open, but we're gonna open it. We're gonna rip the paper off and the plastic and everything else. And then this is inside. So, well, the first we're gonna show you is, well, this is two movies with Godzilla. Yeah, well, this is number one and this is number two. So there's two movies inside here. And also it's Blu-ray. Yeah, if you watch up here, it stands Blu-ray. So, well, this is the front. This is the side. I mean, this is the back. And this is the spine. Yeah. So let's open this cover and see what's inside. We remove the plastic
And well, this is what's inside. Well, it's 2 discs. Well, Godzilla and Godzilla. Well, the first one is Godzilla, and the second one is Godzilla, King of the Monsters. Yeah. And well, also you can find these on on PlayStation Store if you have a PlayStation. And a PlayStation Store, so you can go in there, you can buy them, you can rent them in there, or you can go to Netflix. Maybe you can find them there. Yeah. So, well, if you are a Godzilla fan, this movie is for you. Well, before we continue, I want to say that there are one movie coming out with the Godzilla versus Kong. So you're gonna see them in a movie who's gonna come out very soon. But you can go on a PlayStation Store. Yeah, you can go on PlayStation Store. You can buy it there, or you can rent it there before you buy the DVD, Blu-ray, or Steelbook. Yeah. But if you don't have a PlayStation or a PlayStation Store, sorry. But, well, maybe there's other streaming service that have Godzilla vs. Kong. Maybe. So you can go there and check it out before you buy the DVD or Blu-ray or, Steelbook. Well, next movie, and, well, by the way, that's movie that I shown you, the 2 Godzilla movies, is the English version. It's America. Yeah, America creates Godzilla movies now. Because for many years ago, back in the 40s or 50s, back then you see Japan creates Godzilla movies. But now the American is taking over. Yeah. If you didn't know. The next movie is the Godzilla movie that come out in the 90s. Yeah. In 1997 or 98, I believe. So, let's remove the plastic. This is the movie Godzilla that, the first American Godzilla movie that comes out, and it was in the 90s. So, this movie I remember because I bought it on a VHS back in the 90s. Yeah. And, also I saw it on DVD in many stores. They have it on DVD, but I didn't buy it. Because I didn't have a DVD player back then. And, when I got a DVD player, I didn't buy it then as well, no. Not before in 2021. Yeah, in 2021, I buy it on 4K and Blu-ray because in here it's 2 discs. It's 4K and Blu-ray. But here's the bad news. I don't have a 4K player or a 4K TV. No, I don't. So how can I watch this movie without a 4K player or a 4K TV? Yeah, I watched the Blu-ray because when I ordered it from CD-ON, I believe, yeah, Well, they didn't have this movie in a regular DVD or a Blu-ray. No. Well, they have only the 4K and the Blu-ray collection. Yeah. So I ordered it from CD-ON. So I'm gonna watch the Blu-ray version for now. Yeah. So this is the front. This is the back. And this is the spine. Yeah. And inside, well, we have the Blu-ray version and the 4K version. Yeah. So, well, maybe you wonder what the heck he's gonna do with a 4K Blu-ray collection. Well, he don't have a 4K and a 4K player. So what is gonna do then? Well, here's the answer. You see this Blu-ray disc? Well, I have a Blu-ray player, so I can watch Blu-ray instead. But, well, later on in the future, some point, maybe I get a 4K player or a 4K TV. Maybe. But, for now, 4K is expensive if you're going to get a 4K player. So for now, I watch the Blu-ray instead. And well, there's special features if you watch here. In the green line up here, you see special features. Yeah. Well, all of these movies have subtitles, like Norwegian, Swedish, Danish, Finnish, and maybe English. Yeah. Well, the next Godzilla movie comes out in 2014, I believe. And it's this movie. Well, this movie is the second Godzilla movie that comes after this. Well, this is the first one. This is the second one. So let's remove the plastic. And see what's inside. Well, first, here's the front. And it's on Blu-ray. Yep. Here's the back. And, well, also there may be special features somewhere here. Yeah, up here. There are some special features up here. So this is the back. And this is the spine. And it's one disc. Yeah. With no pictures inside. No. So that was unboxing today. But, well, I have something else to talk about. Well, you know, the huge box I have with Charmed. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. well, this box here, yeah. Well, you will probably can maybe find it on eBay or Amazon or other pages on the internet. Well, maybe you find the same box I have, or maybe you find another box, a different box with the same TV show with Shannon Doherty, Alicia Milano, and Holly Marie Combs inside as Piper, Prue, and Phoebe. Yeah. So if you want to know what's inside this box, well, you have to watch my collection video that I did for a while ago. Yeah. So this is a continuation. So that my collection video that I did for a while ago is part 2. And well, this unboxing episode, it's going to end with a cliffhanger. Yeah. So if you want to know what's inside the box, you better watch that, my collection video. So, well, that was my unboxing video with 3 Blu-ray and 1 4K with the Godzilla movies. Well, there's 2 in here. And this is Godzilla movie number 3. And this Godzilla movie number 4. Yeah. So, well, share your knowledge, collection with other Doctor Who fans all over the world. And, well, go and buy Web of Fear and the Enemy of the Daleks. I mean, the Evil of the Daleks, sorry. Well, they are going to be released on DVD, Blu-ray, and Steelbook very soon. So go and buy them if you are a huge Doctor Who fan. Yeah. So that's it for now. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And also to all the subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And well, also, people who love my videos, well, there are 2 videos now that people like to watch. Well, one of them is the Bewitched video that I did for a while ago. And the other video is about my collection of Beverly Hills 90210. Yeah. Well, those 2 videos people love to watch. Yeah. So I appreciate that you love my videos. And I appreciate that you are subscribing. And I appreciate that you put a thumb up instead. But, yeah. So, all I want to say is, see you on the wild side. And also, see you later, alligator. Bye.